Welcome to the first episode, technically second, but first episode of the Honda Fit build series. This is where I take my daily driver 2011 Honda Fit Sport and turn it into the ultimate daily driving machine. But today's episode, we're doing the steering wheel replacement. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unveiling the brand new Koenig Ultragrams. Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Honda Fit build series. Like I told you, bro, we're going full-fledged build series mode. Welcome to episode 5 of the Honda Fit build series. Today we are going to be installing an engine compartment modification to the engine itself. We are going to be installing the HPS intake system and possibly a little bit more things. We shall see, we shall see, we shall see. In the sea of parts that we have for the Fit, we are going to be installing this bad girl right here. This is the HPS intake system, like I just stated, and I got it in that Nipsey blue colorway. You know what it is, you know what it ain't. We have everything we need to install this kit. It looks fairly simple, like it's not a lot to it, but this kit is actually really awesome. And one of the main reasons why I opted to run the HPS kit is because it's one of the only kits on the market that does not throw a check engine light. Most short ram intake systems or cold air intake systems, 9.5 times out of 10, you will get a check engine light code. And with the HPS system, they designed it specifically to where you do not get a check engine light code, which is awesome. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's due to the MAF sensor placement on certain intakes that causes the code. So with the HPS system, we ain't gonna have none of that. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Popping up the bonnet on our Fit, we are greeted with a huge stock air box. Just imagine the amount of room we're about to save by throwing in this HPS intake system. That's crazy, bro. So to kick this install off, let's actually prop the bonnet with the bonnet prop. I'm a mechanic. The tools needed for this project: 14mm to loosen out the 2 windshield wiper blades, 10mm to loosen out the battery and the bolts for the intake itself. You have a ratchet and you have your extension. First order of business is using your 10mm on the ratchet and removing both the negative and positive terminals, removing the battery and then the battery tray. Next, you want to remove the windshield wiper blades. It's 2 14mm nuts. With the removal of the wipers, it's time to start the removal of the cowl assembly. Start by removing the 2 side pieces of the cowl. They pop right up. Next, remove the trim piece that holds the cowl together. You have 2 black clips holding the cowl to the chassis. Remove those clips with a clip removal tool. Now the cowl is ready to be removed. Next is the metal protective plate and wiper motor assembly. Use a 10mm socket to remove all of the 10mm bolts. Now we're greeted with open space to work on removing the intake system and installing our new HPS system. Whenever you have to do like coilover stuff, exhaust manifold things, you have to remove the windshield cowl cover piece. You have to remove a lot to do a lot of things. It is what it is. We have a 10mm bolt there, a 10mm bolt there. Remove the breather port from the intake box itself, and then we should be able to pull it out. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that hold on the MAF sensor. With the MAF sensor now removed, you want to bolt it down to the new HPS intake system using the same 2 screws that we removed from the OEM intake. With the assembly of the HPS intake, start by attaching the coupler to the side of the intake arm that has a slight bend. Attach the 2 T-bolt clamps and tighten to snug so they don't fall off when assembling to the throttle body. Now attach the filter to the other end of the intake arm with the hose clamp provided. Tighten to snug so it doesn't fall off with installation. To attach the intake support bracket, use the long 10mm bolt and washer that's provided in the kit to the intake. Using the factory intake support bracket, we will bolt down our HPS intake bracket using the short 10mm bolt and washer provided. And lo and behold, we have the intake system installed. So simple, so quick and easy. Just like making pancakes, bro. It's just like making pancakes. We have more of a refined engine bay. We don't have a huge air box in the way. Yes, going from an OEM style intake to a short ram system, you would have higher IATs, but the noises you get though. And like I mentioned, the best thing about this intake is it does not cause and check engine light, which is so nice, bro. No one wants a Christmas tree dashboard lit up. No one wants that. So it's a win-win situation. We have no check engine light, we have cool noises, and we have more space to do more activities. Like we now have access to do our shifter cable bushing, our detent springs that go in the transmission itself. We have room to do our clutch slave cylinder line. The pros outweighs the cons. And what are the cons? A little bit of higher IATs. Plus with the cowl directs airflow right into the filter. So are we gonna have lower IATs? I'm not entirely too sure. Car's on. We have no check engine lights. Best kit in the world, bro. The HPS system is the best system money can buy. Before I even end this build series episode, we're gonna go for a POV drive in the Fit just to really get a feel for the new intake system. I'm gonna put you guys on POV and we're gonna head to the gym, get these gains, baby. I'll give you my final analysis and review of what I think of the intake. Sounds good? All right. It is time to go to the gym. Real. I need a starter. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's way louder. Yo. Holy crap. It feels like I got a better response too. It could be, what's that thing called when your mind playing tricks on you type thing, but no, bro. You can hear the intake scream. Like, you hear that. Oh, hell yeah. Hey, bro, this is a daily, but look, fam, we gotta have the sounds and the sights, you feel me? Yo, that thing sounded like it had some oomph in it. Hopefully the audio of the GoPro caught that. Like, I don't know how they put the GoPros inside of the engine compartment, the engine bay, and like, without it falling and things of that nature, but bruh, I need to do that. That sounded so good. And look at that, no check engine light. This is my first POV video with the fit. Whoa, this looks pretty cool though. Like the little layout, the steering wheel. This looks pretty cool. All right, hopefully you guys can hear it when I do a pull again. I'm probably gonna put the windows up. Maybe it'll sound different with the windows up. Dude, that thing cracked the VTEC. Let's see if we can get it. Yo. Okay. Dude, it sounds so cool. Hopefully you guys can hear that, man. This thing sounds sweet. It pulls so much better too. Like it's weird. Like when I first got the fit and I would try to do the pulls in it to see like the power band, it felt like congested. Like it kind of felt like something was holding it back. Now granted, I'm sure it wasn't the intake, but with the HPS intake, bro, this thing, like, it pulls way harder. Hope this GoPro audio is picking up the intake noises. So good, bro, so good. Well, we made it to the gym. I hope you guys enjoyed that little rev compilation. I am shocked at how good this thing sounded. Like, bro. That's so awesome. And there you have it, folks. The HPS intake system installed on the Fit. Oh, and it sounds amazing. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And I have a special announcement from HPS themselves. They are gifting you guys a discount code. They don't have stuff just for the Fit. They make intake systems and other things that you may need for your car, whatever car you may have. Link down below to HPS, discount code on the screen. Be sure to use that. I want to give them a huge thank you for coming on board and supplying YAMI with the best intake system that money can buy, like I stated. And you guys can take advantage right now. The discount code only lasts for like a month. So take advantage right now. If you have a Honda Fit, you want to throw an intake system on it, be sure to use the link down. Be sure to use the link and discount code down below. Can't say Zosh ain't never did nothing for you, man. You can't say that, brother. I'm in a fit game now, bro. Which means I'm gonna work with companies that specialize in fit things to give you guys discounts. Who else doing that? Huh? Who else? But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please leave a like on the video, subscribe, comment down below your favorite part of the video, what mods you have on your Fit, and what's your favorite flavor of chicken wing. Now be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.